Unlock a world of secure and unrestricted streaming on your Apple TV, all starting right now. Your Apple TV is a great gateway to entertainment, but to truly protect your privacy and access content from anywhere, a VPN is your secret weapon. There are two primary ways to get a VPN working on your Apple TV, either through your router or using a dedicated app on another device. Let's start with the router method, which is fantastic because it protects all devices on your network, including your Apple TV, automatically. First, you'll need a VPN service that supports router configuration. Log in to your VPN provider's website and find their router setup guides. You'll typically need to download router-specific configuration files. Then, access your router's administration panel through your web browser. This usually involves typing an IP address into the address bar. Navigate to the VPN client section and upload the configuration files you downloaded earlier. Follow your VPN provider's instructions carefully. You'll often need to enter your VPN username and password once saved and connected. Your router will be routing all traffic, including your Apple TVs, through the VPN server. Now, on your Apple TV, go to Settings, then Network. Ensure it's still connected to your Wi-Fi because your router is handling the VPN. Your Apple TV will automatically use the secure connection. If router configuration seems too technical, don't worry. The second method uses a VPN app on another device that can share its VPN connection with your Apple TV. You'll need a VPN service that offers an app and supports device sharing. Install the VPN app on your iPhone or iPad. Connect to your desired VPN server location. Then enable its hotspot or internet sharing feature. On your Apple TV, go to Settings, then Network, and Wi-Fi. You'll look for the network name that matches your iPhone or iPad's hotspot and connect to it. Now, your Apple TV is accessing the internet through your phone's VPN connection. This is perfect for accessing geo-restricted streaming services or simply enhancing your online privacy. Enjoy secure, private, and borderless entertainment on your Apple TV. VPN # privacy matters.